There are a few different ways to make your Android louder. Here are some methods you can try. Make sure that a volume limiter isn't restricting your phone from reaching full volume. If your device has a limiter, you can find it by clicking Settings, then Sound. It may look something like this. Adjusting your limiter or turning it off can help boost your volume. A more advanced method of increasing the volume of your Android device involves adjusting the equalizer settings. Open the Settings app on your Android device, and then search for equalizer. From here, you can adjust different settings to make the sound louder or better suited to your use. Next, a simple way to increase the volume for your Android is to adjust the device's position so that you can better hear it. Rotate your Android device until you find the angle at which it sounds loudest. Then lay your device to rest in that position. Having it lay on a flat surface away from any edges will usually do the trick. If you aren't currently using earbuds or headphones, using a pair of high-quality ones can improve your Android device's sound quality and volume. Another trick is to place your Android device inside a bowl or other curved object. The shape of the dish will act as an amplifier, creating a quick and affordable speaker system. Next, try connecting to an external speaker. The most common way people increase the volume on their Android devices is by pairing the device to a speaker using Bluetooth.